today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you, I got this package from Champion's Choice, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you what I have. Our topic for today is gonna be ear liners and ears, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about how I go about that and what I'm gonna do differently now that I've talked to a couple different taxidermists in the area and gotten some tips and tricks. So I'm going to try that out on the next few deer. So open this up and see what I've got in here and go from there. Alright, packaging, throw that away. Alright, here's the majority of what I've got in here is these ear liners here. We're going to go ahead and open some of those and some of these ear butts. And I'm going to show you what all that entails. And I have these here are from Mackenzie's instead of Champion's Choice. So I'll open those up as well. Show you guys how those go. I like these bags from Champion's Choice better. They just pop right open like a Ziploc bag. You can already see the color difference. I don't know if you can see from there, but I'll show you in the camera here in a second. Let me actually grab some earbuds from the other side. Let's see. Yeah. So I'll kind of show you what's going on with these. Alright, here are two different ear liners. This one you can't really tell, but it's slightly pink. And that one comes from Mackenzie. These are their regular ear liners. This is what I've been using for years. And it's got a little flex in the tip here. And a little bit on the side, but it's pretty rigid. Same with this one. Rigid, kind of what you want. But the main difference that I'm going to show you is in the inside of the ears. So when I put ear liners like this in my deer ears, what's going to happen is it's going to show through white, because the inside of a deer ear on here is going to be pretty white on the inside. And so what's going to happen is I'm going to have to do a lot of painting on the inside of there. Whereas this one here, I put this in, when I put my ears in, this is going to be pretty much, I really won't have to do much painting at all. Maybe add a little bit of brown in there, because what is going to happen is it's going to show through pink, which is what you want on the inside of ears, that fleshy pink that it gives it, and that's what I'm looking for. So in the past, these go in this is the Mackenzie earbud, and this is the, let's see, this is the Champion Choice earbud, which pops in much harder, but that's much lower profile. You can really put that in there pretty well with your muscle definition. That's an all the way back form, but yeah, so here's the difference. Show you on here. That's the Mackenzie and that's the Champion's Choice. So you can see they are a little bit, this one's a little bit thinner. Supposedly this is more of like a competition style earbud. So if I go to this is going to be more expensive, but it's going to give a truer look to it. So let me put these earbuds in here, show you how it works. So that's going to be your, this is a left ear. There's the two like that. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do with the ears from now on. You can see the engraving in here for Champion's Choice. I think Mackenzie's they put it on the bottom somewhere. Yeah, right here. They just have Mackenzie. That one was made in 2010. These I don't think have a date, but yeah, that fits pretty well in there. So that's what I'm looking at for ears from now on. And there's a set of them. So this is going to be your left and right ears for that. And this is going to be your left and right for the Mackenzie. Okay, so there we go. That's what I have for the ears. And that's going to be a little tip or trick for any other taxidermists out there trying to figure out how to get the inside of their ears to be more of a fleshy color, because you can paint that in, but honestly it's much easier, I've seen from watching a buddy of mine do his deer, to put these already pink ear liners, and it basically doesn't really bleed through, but the inside skin of the deer's ear is so thin that it shows through this pink, and therefore you don't have to go through with your base pink color when you're going through and painting. So just a little tip for those who are trying to get a little pink in there. And that's coming from me, who has been using Mackenzie ear liners my entire time doing taxidermy. So yeah, there we go. There's an earful for you today. All right, till next time, Resurrection Taxidermy. Have a blessed day. God bless.